friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you're fine. Now in this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of last 1 hour, of last two hour of Omi or Ecomi price prediction. So before starting this video, please hit the subscribe button right now if you don't subscribe my channel. So please subscribe my channel. I need your support. Please kindly support me. Now if we look the chart analysis of Omi, that is the live price prediction of last 2 hours you're watching now. As you can see here, the chart analysis, so they falls down at the start of last 2 hours, and now currently if we see the currently situation of Omi, so after a little dump they start jumping upward, as you can see here, and now currently they are in the jumping time. As you can see here, currently they are jumping upward, as you can see here. The changing as about positive 0.74% occur change in Omi cryptocurrencies in the previous 2 hours, and the high price of Omi in the previous last 2 hours as about $0.010903 is the high price of Omi in the previous last 2 hours. Now let's see what's the price prediction of last 1 hour of Omi in the cryptocurrencies market. Absolutely good news for all Omi holders. As you can see here, after a small jump they take a high jump. As you can see here, a high jump, they are now in the jumping time, as you can see here. So if we look at changes of Omi in the previous last 1 hour, so they are positive 1.72%, and the high price of Omi is about $0.01087 is the high price of Omi in a previous 1 hour. That's a live price prediction of last 1 hour you're watching now on IBS Tech channel. So my suggestion for all of you, if you want to make money in the cryptocurrencies market, so it's absolutely good opportunity for you to buy a Omi and make a good amount of money, because they are jumping time. It's a jumping time of Omi in this period. What's your suggestion? As it the best time to sell it, as it the best time to buy it? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe IBS Tech channel for more latest news and updates.